Hello, my name is Rachel Anise, otherwise known as the Beauty Professor, and you can find me on my website, Beauty Professor, my Instagram at Beauty Professor, and my YouTube channel at Beauty Professor as well.
Today, I'm excited to show you exactly how I like to use the SiO Eye and Smile Lift Patches.
As a busy mom of a toddler, full-time college professor, and beauty writer, I am always in a rush, and I'm sure many of you can relate to that too. That means finding time for skincare treatments is rare, and even when I'm able to do that, it's optimal if I'm able to multitask while that treatment is in action. Made of medical grade silicone and reusable up to 10 times, the patches adhere to my skin and free me up to run around the house and check off the million things on my to-do list. Now, I am always tired, and that shows up in my under eyes a lot of the time. So this is an area I try to target. These patches are a minimalist skincare lover's dream come true because you just apply them onto cleansed skin. You don't need any product underneath. I like to use these whenever I can. So you can use them in the daytime, you can use them at night, and you can even use them while you sleep. The SiO Eye and Smile Lift comes in two different sizes, a 2-pack, which you just watched me apply, and a 4-pack, which means that you can step up your game and target your smile lines as well.
The eye and smile patches are interchangeable and work through occlusion, which creates an exceptionally hydrating microclimate for skin, drawing moisture from deeper layers up to the surface so skin looks plump and bouncy.
So as the patches continue to percolate, I can be running around cleaning, chasing after my 2-year-old, doing work on the phone, catching up on emails and messages. It's just the most efficient use of my time to get intense skincare treatment while being able to do other things. As I said before, you can use these patches up to 10 times. And so the way that I like to make sure I'm getting the maximum usage is to rinse them with water very quickly. And don't forget to use this very handy card to place your patch back on for future usage. I hope you enjoyed this quick overview of how I like to use the SiO Eye and Smile Lift patches. And hopefully you found some inspiration for fitting these patches into your own busy life.